how to check the food menu using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can check the food menu of your train using the IRCTC official website. So as here you can see, currently I am on the IRCTC official website, and in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser and simply search for IRCTC, and then you will need to click onto this link that says irctc.co.in, as this is the official IRCTC website. After that, if you want, you can also log in with your IRCTC official credentials, which are basically your user and password. And also, if you don't do it, it's perfectly all right. So, after you are in the IRCTC official website's homepage, in order to check out the meals, you need to click onto this meals tab. So once you will hover your cursor over to this meals tab, you can see this third option that says cooked food menu. So simply click onto this cooked food menu and it will lead you to this particular page, and from here you can find the menu of all the different classes of trains. So for example, for trains that are mail express, or let's say the Humsafar Express, the menu is as following, and this will include in the menu. And for more premium trains like the Rajdhani, Shatabdi and the Duronto Express, this is the particular menu for particular classes. Like for this is for the first AC, second AC and the Duronto class as well. And same you can also do for other trains like the Gatiman, Tejas and Vande Bharat Express. So you can click onto any of them. So for example, let's say if I want to find out the menu of the Vande Bharat train with of train number 2243940, so I can simply click onto this, and here you can see that it has opened a PDF which includes all the details related to the menu for both the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian options. So that's how easily you can check the menu of your train using the IRCTC official website. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.